Good morning, everyone. Well, at the start of another day, we're gonna go. We got two places here, one side the other. We're gonna do. I'll just show you guys quick what's going on here. See, we're doing the tops, fixing it all up. Here's a little complicated because you got a pool right here. And it's all rocks. As you can see under the tarps, under all the tarps, it's rocks. Not the easiest thing to try to keep clean. But you see how we're fixing it up over here? You see how we're doing the line there? It looks really good. This side is both sides. Things are coming along. Our first one today. Anyway, and we're doing the neighbor next door here. So anyway, we'll get into it. We get some of it done when we get along. I'll show you guys a little bit more once we get more done. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Sun's out today. All right, this the back side of the hedgerow. We're doing on the other side. You can see what we've done here. See, this part up here is done, and this part down here is not done. I'm out back here, gonna do the top. You can see here where the hedge is brown. You can see right here where it's brown. I think the pool next door, something happened where some of the water with the chlorine must have got into the hedge because his spout and that is right there. So we'll see what. Because the owner here asked me to take a look at that, and I think we got some chlorine in the hedges. That's not good for the hedges. All right, got this wall done here. Look how that's coming along the pool too. They're just cleaning up over there. Look how good that looks. Look at this nice big wall right here. Looks really, really good. Look at that from the side. Yeah, we enjoyed just showing you guys what's going on here on these jobs. This is a job we've been doing, I think, for 12, 13 years. So that's why it's, you know, it's really nice to get it done every year. So it looks really good. We'll see over here on the other side. Look at that. Look how good that looks. I mean, when you have control and you do them every year, you have a better shot of it coming out to be nice. Out back here, as you can see where it's brown there. That's because I think the neighbor, some of his pool water must have come out and got in there, because you can see where it's a bit brown right there. You see that? Look how that's dry. You can see how it's brown. That's green over there. Alright, so we'll just tell the customer what's going on. We just got to the next one. We're gonna do this thing here. Look how long those are. Look how long that is. Alright, we'll get a bit of it done. I'll show you guys to get more done. Alright, we just got this one done. That's what I showed you guys a little while ago, where it was really long. Looks really good. Alright. Sure is fun when it's nice out. It's a lot more fun. Anyways, this week I'll try to show you guys some extra stuff that we do, like sharpening of the blade, sharpening of the chainsaw blades, of the hedge trimmer blades, of the chains. Try to show you guys all that this week. Alright, well, off to the next one. Alright, we're at the next one. Look how high. I guess it probably hasn't been done in a couple of years here. We'll fix that up out back though. We'll use the boom van. It'll go good with the truck. going. Put it back here there. Alright, we'll get it going. We'll get it all fixed up. Let you guys see it when we're all done. See you guys in a bit. Alright, we just finished this one up here. Squashed it a bit. It's a little bit soft, so we'll try to fix it up. We'll put a little dirt, make it look good. Look how that came out. Came out really nice. It's really good for a place we hadn't done in a couple of years. Looks good. All right, guys, we just got to the. I got to the next one. The boys had already done it. I had to stay at the other job. I'll show you guys what we got going on here. Yeah, things look really good here. Another nice job. This is a regular one too. I think we do this one every year. They're easier to do when you do them every year. You don't have as much to take off. All right, look at this little part here. Look how good that looks. All right, we got another one down the street here. We'll just go down the street. We got ourselves a big one here. This is all the way around. All the way around both sides. Yeah, it's a good one here. I'll go show you guys out back here. Look at that. There's a lot of hedge here. There's a lot of it. We'll be here for a little while. See, we got a nice angle over here. I'll show you guys. Look how long it is. I think it hasn't been done in 2 years. I think we got new owners. I think this place has changed hands like 3 times last 10 years. So we got a nice little angle right there. See that nice little angle? Yeah, that'll look good. Anyway, I'll get some of it done. I'll show you guys. The sun's going away. All right, you see what we got done here? So you can see up on top where we did it, and here it hasn't been done yet. So it gives you guys a good idea. Then the top up there, where they haven't done it, and where they're going to do it right now. I'll show you guys a bit more when we get some more done. I'll show you guys what we got so far today. This is what we've cut so far. What he's got in this truck right here. He's gonna probably double it just at this job here. I mean, there's a lot here. Look how nice that came out. Look how good that looks. That looks really nice. I'll go look out back, see what it looks like. Look at that. I mean, oh my God, there's a lot here. Look how that little, see how that looks good right there, that little angle. Then out back. That came along really good. I'll go show you guys on the other side. And right here we got a little doorway that we've always done. See how this is? Nice little doorway, looks really nice. You just close up the door. Look how good that looks. It looks really nice. Yeah, this really came out really nice. It's been a couple of years, I guess, since we've done it. Like I said, they're changed hands there. New people own it. Look how nice that looks. And you got the right guys! Alright, let's go to the next one. Another one done! Alright, just got here. You guys are already done. Look at this nice one here. on this side. They want to let it grow, keep growing. So you see, we just left the little things on top because they want it to grow some more. Look how good that looks right there. See that line right there? Look at that. Looks really good. It's coming along pretty good. Coming along. You got a few holes there, but it's coming along. All right, don't forget to like and share all those good things if you guys want to. It just helps us out. Thanks, you guys.